How to use Smart Diagnosis on the LG ThinQ app. If you are using LG products, use Smart Diagnosis on the ThinQ app. By using Smart Diagnosis, you can check the current state of your product. It will also help you troubleshoot your issue when the appliance turns out to have a problem. Before using Smart Diagnosis, make sure it has the Smart Diagnosis logo. The wireless router is powered on, and the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's find out how to use Smart Diagnosis. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone. Select the top left menu icon on the home screen. Tap Smart Diagnosis and select the product to be assessed. Smart Diagnosis will then begin, and you can check the result of the diagnosis on the screen. For products or models without the Smart Diagnosis logo, proceed with Smart Diagnosis following the instructions on the screen. If there is anything wrong with it, instructions will be provided to help you solve the problem. For more detailed information regarding the result of the diagnosis or troubleshooting, check out the official LG website or the Customer Center.